Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to turn off all vibration on Fitbit Charge. So let's get started with the guide. To disable all vibration on your Fitbit Charge, you can use the do not disturb, which is the DND, and sleep mode feature. So this mode suppress the notification and the associated vibration, and how to set them up. So to enable the do not disturb mode on your Fitbit, swipe down from the clock face to access the quick settings, then tap the DND icon, which is a circle with a line through it, to activate do not disturb mode, and you will see the silence notification and prevent vibration during the day. Then the other option is to enable the sleep mode. So swipe down from the clock face to access the quick settings, then tap the sleep mode icon, which is a crescent mode, to activate the sleep mode. So once sleep mode is activated, it only silence the notification but also dim the screen and prevent it from waking when you move your waist. And that's how you can simply turn off all vibration on Fitbit Charge. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.